This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn restore statement in GW Basic. This statement causes the data statement to be reused if it has already been used by the read statement. The syntax is restore and line number. And the interpretation is the line number specifies the line number of a data statement which has to be read again. The next read statement reads the first item in the specified data statement we can omit line number. If so, the next read statement reads the first item in the first data statement. Now we're gonna type a program, and for better understanding of this concept, so I'm gonna read it again. Actually, the restore statement causes the data statement to be reused if it has already been used by the read statement. If the data statement is already been used by the read statement, then the restore statement causes the data statement to be reused. And the syntax is very simple. First we will type a keyword restore with the line number, and the line number specifies the line number of a data statement which has to be read again. The next read statement reads the first item in the specified data statement. We can omit the line number. If so, the next read statement reads the first item in the first data statement. Now we're gonna type a program. So here we are, viewers, in the GW Basic IDE. Here we will type the program. At line number 10 we will type read statement with the variables a, b, and c respectively, and at line number 20 we will type restore statement, which is used the data statement to be reused. At line number 30 we will type read x, y, and z. At line number 40 we'll type print a, b, c. At line number 50 we will type print just print command, and at line number 60 we'll type print x, y, z. At line number 70 we'll type data 10, 20, 30. At line number 80 we will type data, and we'll type 40, 50, and 60. At line number 90 we'll type ENDN, and then we'll run this programs. So viewers, you can see that here we are at line number 20 you should type it as run command like this, and you should first save it with the extension with the name restore BAS so that we can load it and then can run it. So here we are at line number 90 and type enter. Here we'll press the F4 key and we'll type restore .bas and we'll press type the double quotation marks. Now we're gonna load it, restore.bas, and then type list to see that if it contains all the yes. Now we're gonna press the F2 key. So here are the output of this program. So you see that with the help of the restore we can reutilize the data statement values to be reused. How it's like, first we type the function of read statement, that it first searches the data statement in the whole program and then store the values numeric constant to the numeric variable respectively. So here in this case the read statement will first try to search the data statement in the whole program, and read statement will ignore all these lines one by one. At the line number 70 it finds the data statement. So all the numeric constant like 10 will be stored in variable A, 20 will be stored in variable B, and 30 will be stored in variable C respectively. But here we see that here is a statement used at line number 20, so the program is executed line by line. So the restore statement will compel the read statement at line number 30 to again reuse this data statement, not the next one. So if we didn't use the restore statement over here at line number 20, then obviously the data at line number 80, the read statement line number 30 with xyz variable will try to search the next data statement with the corresponding values, like 40 will be stored in X, 50 will be stored in Y, and 60 will be stored at Z. And the output of the program over here was like first we can see 10, 20, 30, and we could see over here 40, 50 and 60, which is supposed to be stored in this read statement with the variable xyz. But the restore statement compel this read statement at line number 30 to reuse this data statement at line number 70. So this is how we can use a restore statement in our GW Basic program, and that's all, and thanks for watching. Thank you.